justification, research questions, objectives, research methodologies, results and discussion. And finally, I will talk about the conclusions and recommendations of my research process or my research study. Introduction. In introduction, the first important term is election. Election is basically a formal group decision-making process by which voters choose their representatives to hold and run public offices. The founder pillars of any democratic political system, whether considered fragile or established, remain undoubtedly free, fair, and transparent election, which can simply be taken as the most critical and observable means through which all voters can peacefully support or oppose the contesting candidates, and which are obviously expensive affairs. Voting. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights says that voting is one of the fundamental rights of all those people who have at least 18 or more than 18 years of age. Voting behavior is basically a political phenomenon in which people tend to vote. It also includes voter participation in election campaigns, turnout at election days on polling stations to choose their own representatives through the power of vote. Voting since independence, the Islamic Republic of Pakistan has a multi-party system where several political parties participate to contest election against each other in general and local level. The election in Pakistan since independence have been held in specific settings and situations. However, different electoral campaigns were planned and formulated in one way or other. They lacked the true spirit of democracy and dominance of the citizens. The major factors influenced the political process included military rule, rigging, government intervention, massive use of money, illegal measures, political monopolies, pressure groups, and political parties. Other factors influencing voting behavior. The major factors in this regard in the society like Pakistan are identified through literature review, including party manifesto, party leadership, media, biradarism, dynastic politics, political socialization, religion, and illegal measures. These have been also included in the conceptual framework of my research study. Theoretical background of the study. Voting behavior has been the major concern of scientists, particularly the political scientists, the sociologists, and economists. They studied political system, political process, and party politics to understand the voting behavior. More generally, Shivle classified his consideration in two measures. He says that voting behavior is influenced by two major considerations. One is called long-term consideration, while the other is called short-term consideration. In long-term consideration, he included the devotion, loyalty, party identification, and affiliation of social group with a political party is the long-term consideration of the voters. The short-term consideration included response towards the solution of the current problems, performance and reputation of the leadership, party manifesto, and way of election campaign. Consumer voting model is another important model which supports my study, and this consumer voting model stress more on consumption and performance. A political party under this model is selected on the basis of previous experience and performance, like a product which is bought again if it performs satisfactorily and meets the needs of the client. If no, then voters join a new political party. Party identification model of Butler and Stokes. Term political socialization and role of media as the central elements in influencing voting behavior in Britain. Two-party system in England further played important role in shaping voting behavior. Kriv and Nice report that voting behavior depends on social and political determinants where the religious influence, role of biradarism, and the influence of dynastic politics is the important consideration under social determinants. Party manifesto and leadership role are the major points behind the political determinants. Stokes voting buying model. Susan Stokes presented that illegal and corrupt practices like vote selling and buying and electoral process come under illegal measures. In short, the current study was conducted under the amalgamation of research paradigms, namely party identification model presented by Butler and Stokes, two-class two-party generated by Cribb and Norris, and Stokes-Woodbine model outlined by Susan Stokes in 2005 respectively. Justification of the study. Voting is still a key and most important segment and political process. It has a close relationship with democratic practices. The freedom of political behavior plays a vital role in free, fair and transparent election to bring stability and democratic institutions and state as a whole. The analysis of voting behavior helps to understand a political process which enables the concerned quarters to lead a country according to democratic norms. The present study considers voting behavior more a social phenomena where biradarism, dynastic politics, religion and leadership are still playing a dominant role in shaping the voting behavior in Pakistan despite of change due to political socialization by media, role of political parties through their campaign and party manifesto in recent past. The study probes how the various factors presented by Butler and Stokes, Cribb and Norris and Susan Stokes in their models shape the voting behavior in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa of Pakistan. The current study is significant because of its multi-dimensional importance both in the field of research and academics. It is unique in a sense what it proves the causes responsible for the influence, mistreatment and subordination of people in election when they cast ballots. The identification of factors influencing voting behavior and political decision-making process through this study can be reduced along with generating political awareness among the masses regarding the actual voting judgments. The outcome of present research aims to enhance the information for students, researchers, intellectuals, and policy makers. The study of voting behavior through the existence research emphasizes to lighten those areas where the government, non-government organization, and other agencies failed in achieving the desired results. This study is also helpful in informing the common people about the importance of voting behavior for generating a favorable democratic process in the country like Pakistan with an aim to consider country politics, country interest more important than the individual and community level ones. Research question. The major research questions created by this study are the following. Whether party manifesto plays any role in influencing voting behavior or not. What role party leadership plays in influencing the voters to vote a particular party or candidate. Do the media have any link with voting behavior? Whether the biradarism has any influence on voting behavior or not. What role dynastic politics plays in shaping the voting behavior? Does the political socialization as any phenomena and determine voting behavior or not in recent time? Objectives. The first objective of my study is to know about the socio-economic and demographic profile of the respondents, to identify the perception of voters about casting votes or voting behavior, to explore various factors influencing voting behavior, to measure the association between influencing factors and voting behavior on the basis of controlling the variable including gender, age, family monthly income, and education of the respondents, to put forward policy recommendation in the light of the study findings. Research methodology. Study design. Cross-sectional research design was applied to study voting behavior in traditional communities of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan. Universe of the study is District Dir Upper, Pakistan. It consisted of 1,20,228 households, which is distributed in 6 tehsils, namely Dir, Wadai, Barawal, Sheringal, Kalkot, and Larjam, with total number of 32 union councils. In order to get the overall picture of the community perception about voting behavior, one UC from each of the total 6 tehsil had been selected randomly. These UCs, the names of these UCs are Kulandi, Kotke, Sundarawal, Saunai, Gaudara, and Bibyawal respectively. Furthermore, 2 villages each selected randomly from each of the sampled union council to get the community perception about voting behavior at village level. This is the proportional allocation of sample size in various villages of the selected union councils in the study area. These are the tehsils: Dir, Wadai, Barawal, Sheringal, Kalkot, Larja. And these are the union councils: Kulandi, Kotke, Sundarawal, Saunai, Dogdara and Bibyawat. And these are the 2 villages within the each and every union councils. These are the names of different villages, and that is the household size of household size of each and every village. And there, the last one is the sample size.